We can handle all online courses, computer science, business math, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied sciences, and many more. We will help you in weekly quizzes, assignments, exams, thesis writing, dissertation writing, Matlab all courses.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. Number one, we go to invoice here, and that is about Waterville Veterinary Clinic. And this is the answer for number one. Number two, in the cell B number 4, we enter the date. So that's the answer for number 2 here. Number 3, we need to change B to off. And that's the answer for number 3. Number 4, in the cell C or D. So we enter about the 2. Number 5, we need to and we need to pass this one in here. And the last one, we go to about view in here, and we select about this one. And this is the final answer for you. This is the end. Thank you for watching.